Ibn Khaldun received his early education in Tunisia and Fez in Morocco. He received a traditional education that was typical of his family's rank and status. He learned first at the hand of his father, who was a scholarly person who was not involved in politics. He memorized the Quran by heart, learned grammar, jurisprudence, hadith, rhetoric, philology, and poetry. He had reached certain proficiency in these subjects and received certification in them. In his autobiography, he does mention the names of these scholars. He is also excelled in Arabic literature, philosophy, mathematics, as well as astronomy.